Hi guys. Go.
Hi! Mary Louise is here with Alexandria.
And we're gonna sing a competition, and it's Mary Louise' turn.
This is gonna be very good because this one is Taylor Swift. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes till the black first stars. I'm standing there on the balcony in summer air.
Lord, sana po bumalik
Your
si
turn
Tita
now,
Grace.
Alex.
Okay.
Protektahan niyo po siya, ha? Tilayin niyo po
She's
sa mga
on
accidents,
walking
tsaka sa
on
mga
fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Kasi po ba yung
She looks like a girl that she's on flame.
sandali lang.
She's bright, she burn your eyes. Then the other way. Don't try to her name. Bye guys, I'm done. Say bye.
Si Tita Grace.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
And like and subscribe and comment
Hindi ko po mag-gets.
and comment if I want and subscribe if Alex
Shida po
wants.
po ninyo si Tita Grace.
If comment if she wants or us. Subscribe to her and me.
Comment if I want. Comment Team Mary Louise. And if Alex wants, Team Alex.
Okay, subscribe to Mary and me. Bye.